All rise. Support court with Judge Vanderby is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1065, Cruz case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. All right, Mr. Cruz, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get a reduction in my child support.
Okay.
I recently been working and my wages has been reduced, so I want to see if I can get my child support reducted.
Father claims income drop, but is it really about child support? Child support, child custody battle. Parental rights, Mr. Cruz once earned $100K a year, but now he claims his income has dropped 22% to $78K. A big enough change to reduce child support? Maybe, but courts dig deeper. Was the decrease voluntary or temporary? And here's the twist. He just revealed he has a new wife and a newborn. Is this really about teen financial struggles, or is he shifting priorities? Let's see how the judge rules. Family law, courtroom drama, co-parenting, legal battles, know your rights.
How much were you making?
Originally, about 100 a year.
All right, what are you doing?
I'm a restaurant owner.
Okay. So now, what are your wages looking like?
About yearly or weekly?
Yearly.
78. 78.
So from
75.
about 100 to 78,000?
Yeah.
All right. Have you had to lay off employees or anything like that?
It's been hours been reduced.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it took a reduction in hours. All right. Is that it? You just want to reduce because your wages changed?
And I actually have a new wife.
Congratulations.
Yeah. And a newborn on the
Okay.
way. So I got more responsibilities I got to take care of.
You said you have a newborn. The child in this case, how old are they?
Which one? My newborn?
No, not your newborn, the child between the two of you.
4 years old.
4, boy or girl?
It's a girl.
All right. Your 4-year-old, who carries that child on health insurance?
Me.
How much is it?
$430.
$430. Okay. You said you have a newborn, so is it $430 now with the newborn, or was it $430 before the newborn?
Before.
Okay. What is it now?
I haven't really checked, but I think it went up a couple of $100s.
Okay. So what are you thinking?
Maybe like 600.
Man tries to lower child support, but what about his first child? Child support, custody battle, parental rights. So let's get this straight. He wants to reduce payments for his first child, Emile, while also taking on new financial responsibilities with a newborn. That's convenient, but here's the real question. Should having another child lower what's owed to the first? Courts don't automatically cut payments just because someone chooses to expand their family. Existing obligations come first. What do you think? Should the law consider a new baby when adjusting child support? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Family law, co-parenting, legal battles, fatherhood, know your rights.
And is that for the whole family, or is that just for the 2 newborns?
2 newborns.
Okay. Well, not 2 newborns, the newborn and the 4-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay. So $600 just for them too?
All of us together.
Okay, so all of you together is $600. How many people are on that plan?
3.
Well, it can't be 3.
Yeah, it's me. Me,
No.
my son, my daughter.
You, your son, what about your wife?
Oh, she's not on there.
Okay.
We just recently been married, so we haven't switched things up yet.
Okay, how long have you all been married?
About 3 months.
Oh, okay, so yeah, you are. So it's about $200. If I take that 600 and divide it by 3, it's $200 per person. So for both kids, it'll be about $400. That sound about right?
Yeah.
Okay. So your wages decreased, health insurance somewhat increased. Okay. Is there anything else you want me to know?
Is there some more stuff you wanted to know?
Well, I mean, you came to court.
Yeah. I mean, pretty much. I mean, yeah, that's it. I mean, I've been married. I got a newborn. The restaurant haven't been doing so good, and I just need some help from y'all to help me reduce my child support.
Okay.
Father claims income drop. But is he hiding money? Child support? Just custody battle? Financial games? And there it is, the mother isn't asking for more. She just wants things to stay the same. But then she drops a bombshell. The business isn't struggling, only his hours were cut. Ouch. Is Cruz playing financial games to reduce his payments? If she proves his income as hasn't actually dropped, the judge might do more than reject his request. He could be exposed for hiding money. This case is heating up fast. Family court, your co-parenting, legal drama. Know your rights. Justice served.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is there anything you want me to know?
Yeah, actually.
All right. Are you in agreement to his child support being reduced?
No, I am not.
Okay. Tell me about that.
I think it is fine as it is. I don't want to fight to increase it. I think the payment you are paying me is enough. The restaurant that he owns, same business. I don't see there being any less business. The only hours that were reduced were mine because your wife is the manager.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I didn't catch that part.
Yeah.
Run that by me again.
So he claims that the restaurant isn't doing so good.
Okay.
But I think the business is the same. It was just my hours that were reduced, so I had to pick up another job to make do.
Okay, so you, him, and new wife all work together?
Yeah, well, I only work on the weekends now, but yeah.
I mean, it's okay. I mean, we all get along. We make things work out for the family.
You did. He fake a pay cut to dodge child support. Child support, your custody battle, your financial manipulation. Now this is where things get messy. The ex claims Cruz's new wife is running the restaurant and may have intentionally cut his hours. A serious accusation. If true, that means he manipulated his income to make it look like he's earning less. But here's the real kicker. If he's still paying his wife's salary, that money is technically staying in his household. Is this a strategic move to dodge child support? The judge is about to press him for answers. Legal drama, family court, money moves, co-parenting matters, justice served.
I mean, for the better.
If that's the case, then you all wouldn't be here, right? Because you want a decrease. She's saying no. So you all get along?
I don't understand how it's supposed to pay something that I don't have, really.
But she's saying the business hasn't changed. You're talking about in terms of customers coming in and
Yeah.
things like that?
Yeah, I think that
So since Corona
money is
hit,
going elsewhere.
since Corona hit, our business has took a pretty much significant loss since Corona hit. Our customers.
I can believe that. You
Yeah.
know, that's happened to a lot of businesses.
So we've been trying to recover from that. So our hours may just be from that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't think your hours got reduced because of COVID?
no,
Why
I'm
do
the
you think
strongest
you're-
server there
Why do you think your hours were reduced?
because his wife doesn't like me there.
Now she's cool with her.
Not when you're around.
Oh,
I haven't seen
sounds a
that.
little messy.
I haven't seen that. We don't. I don't think just so far as business wise, we don't mix the business with the family. So far her hours, if anything, we gave her extra like 5-6 hours last week.
Okay.
Yeah.
As the dishwasher.
The hours.
Judge shuts down dad's child support excuse. Child support, family court, justice served. OH, the judge is not playing around. Cruz just argued that if his ex gets more hours, he should pay less child support. Excuse me. What? That's not how this works. Child support is based on the payer's income, not the recipient's work schedule. The judge immediately shuts him down, calling out the absurdity of his claim. But here's the real question. Does Cruz actually believe this argument, or is he just grasping at straws?
So you're saying no, just based on you don't think that the business has changed or anything. Do you have any documentation that you brought with you today that shows his income has not decreased as he just testified to? He says $78,000 now, right?
Yeah.
Besides your belief, do you have any other reason to suggest that maybe he's not being truthful about what his income is?
Well, I just think, like, him having a new child, he doesn't want to support the child he already has to the extent that he can.
Okay.
And I feel like
I take care of all my kids.
I didn't say you don't, but you should, make sure that the one you already have is taken care of. And yeah, I think, just the support is still needed.
Well, I don't think he's saying he doesn't want to support. He's saying he can't afford to support what it was. And if the roles were reversed and you were in that situation, wouldn't you want him to consider what you're saying is true and possibly work with you and reduce your child support?
Yeah, that would be fair.
Okay. Well, I think that's fair too. So this is what we're going to do. Based on your testimony, that your wages have decreased, and you kind of alluded to not that his wages necessarily decreased, but that the business is not doing so well because your hours have been reduced. We may not necessarily know the true reason why, according to what you're saying, but your hours were in fact reduced, right? Mm-hmm. Which could be a direct result of the business during the pandemic, okay? So this is what we're going to do. Based on your testimony, your new gross comes out to $6,500. That brings your net to $5,157, giving you credit for both of the children that you have, and I gave you credit for your health insurance, okay? The new health insurance amount for $400. I couldn't.
Legal drama, custody battle, fair support, courtroom chaos, know your rights, judge lowers dad's child support, but not by much. Child support, court verdict, fair or not, and there it is. The final judgment is in. Cruz got a reduction, but Dre not as much as he probably hoped. His monthly payments dropped from $1,240 to $825 TC, saving him about $300 a month, but still nearly $10K a year. The judge factored in his lower income and his new child, but she didn't let him off too easily. Do you think this was a fair ruling? Should child support be more flexible, or is the system too strict? Let's discuss. Family court. Du legal drama, jus custody matters, jus co-parenting, fair support.
So with that, your new child support amount comes out to $825. Based on what you used to pay at that $100,000, your child support was $1,242. So it went down about $300 or so dollars.
So what about the extra hours I was giving her? We're giving her a week.
What about them?
If we up the hours for her, would that lower my child support a little bit?
If we up her hours?
Yeah. So last week we gave her like an extra 6 hours.
Okay.
So what about if we gave her like maybe 12, 10?
This has nothing to do with her income. This is about yours.
Okay.
Why would you want her working more to decrease your child support.
So she can make more money to help
Pay
me
for his
out.
other baby.
See, now you starting to waste my time. Don't do that. Don't do it. You have a legitimate reason to be here, and you have a legitimate request. Don't be ugly, okay?
All right.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
So that's the financial for the 800.
That's what I said, right?
Yeah.
I said it went from $1,242 to $825.
But that's like $300 though.
Yeah, but it's giving you credit for the children that you already have, giving you credit for health insurance. What else could you be asking for? That's all I can do within
I got a new
the realms of the
I got
law.
a new baby.
And I took that into consideration, which is why your percentage is 16%.
So I supposed to pay $800 a month. That's 12 times 12.
$825 to be exact a month. What are you doing?
That's $9,900 a month. How much?
Okay, you were paying $1,242. Do you want me to increase it back?
Nah, it's cool.
Oh, okay. So you don't have any more questions, right?
Nah, it's cool. So
Okay.
800.
$825.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Nothing further?
That's it.
The answer is no, right?
Yes.
Because your child support got reduced. You got what you were looking for, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything further from you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
At least you got your money.
Judge rules on child support. Did Cruz get off easy? Earns child support. Legal drama. Fair ruling, and just like that, the case is closed. The judge gave Cruz a small break, but not too much, keeping things fair for both sides. But this case raises a bigger question. Should having a new child lower what you pay for your first? The court aimed for balance. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Love courtroom drama? Hit that button and subscribe for more shocking legal showdowns. Court verdict. Our custody battle, our co-parenting, legal breakdown, our family law,